A plank is simple but effective core exercise that helps you build stability and strength throughout the entire body. The exercise targets all the major core muscles and helps tone in the abs, obliques and lower back. In this video, we will show you how regular planking transforms your body completely. All you have to do is perform these exercises for just 5 minutes every day. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. You will get an improved core. Few exercises work your total body and core strength so intensely as the plank. Therefore, when you perform plank exercise regularly, your core muscles get worked hard. Number 2. Your muscles definition will be improved. When you achieve a low body fat percentage, you will be able to see your core muscles. Performing hardcore exercises like planks will mean that there will be a tight, toned 4 or 6 pack to reveal. Number 3. You will get improved posture. Planks have an excellent impact and improvement on your posture. Perfecting your posture will usually come from strengthening your core muscles and lower back and ensuring that spinal alignment and upper body muscles are healthy. The plank will work the relevant muscles needed for good posture and improve mindfulness over your spinal positioning. Number 4. Planks will remove back pain. Doing planks is a type of exercise that helps you build muscles while also ensuring that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. Planks will strengthen your back muscles. Back pain is often a result of bad posture, poor lower back and core strength, and a lack of blood flow to the lower back muscles. This exercise strengthens the core and lower back, improves vascularity and helps with posture. Number 5. You will get improved balance. Have you ever felt that when you stand on one leg, you can't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you're just inept, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. Many people assume that balance is mainly based on the legs, but most of the work is happening in your core as it keeps you stable and upright. By doing planks regularly, you will boost your balance and performance in every kind of fitness activity. Number 6. You will get more flexibility. Flexibility is a crucial benefit of doing plank regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups. The exercise stretches your shoulders, shoulder blades and collarbone. It also stretches your hamstrings, the arches of your feet and the toes. By performing the side planks, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with more benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is essential for supporting your body's weight. Number 7. Your mood will be improved. Plank exercises have a special effect on your nerves, making them an excellent means of improving the overall mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. So how to perform a perfect plank? To perform a perfect plank, get into a push-up position on the ground with your weight supported or your palms and the balls of your feet. Now make sure your body appears in a straight line from your heels to the top of your head and your hands are directly under your shoulders with your elbows straight. Now pull your navel towards your spine to engage your core muscles and hold the position for 1 minute. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing plank from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.